having to brew your own espresso can be time consuming. So this company came out with a really convenient way of making your own espresso in pretty much less than a minute and using pods. So this is very slender. It does not take up a lot of space. We've been using it. Now, in full disclosure, I will say that this was sent to us from the company so that we could test it out and create a video to give you an insider's look so you can make an informed purchase decision. So a few things you're going to need. You're going to need special espresso pods that are this size. So you can get them plastic, you can get them aluminum, and you just simply open this up. So I have it plugged in. So you simply put the pod in, close it, let it heat up, and I'm gonna go ahead and press the size that I want, which I want the smallest size. Once that's done blinking, it means it is heated up and it will automatically dispense into my espresso cup right here. So you can see that it actually has a nice crema on top. Now, of course, that might depend on the brand that you're using. And when you're done, you simply open this up. And you're gonna see that it'll automatically drop into the dispenser, which you can then empty later. Now, one quick note that I really want to disclose is that when we first received this, it actually did not work. I contacted the company. What it ended up being was inside there is a little hose and it had come dislodged. My husband was able to kind of take it apart and get the hose reconnected. So I just think that was kind of a fluke, but I'm really glad he got it fixed because we were able to use it and we are using it every day, literally. And you can enjoy a wonderful fresh of espresso, just like this.